This is Tim Willis, and armed only with OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker. We're looking just at a page here I've been working on. It's actually a reproduction of a ClickFunnels offer called the 5-Day Lead Challenge. And I'm just doing this modeling exercise, basically duplicating it as close as possible to the original. You learn a lot by doing that kind of thing, but that's not particularly what we're talking about today. You see, we have all these different colors on here, and when we're trying to model something, we're trying to get it as close as possible to the original color. We need a color picker to do that. The default for a long time on that was a thing called the Colorpick Eyedropper, and it was in the Google Chrome store. And there's many versions of this, but there was a particular one that almost everybody used that I knew that did funnel building. But for some reason, the Google Chrome store is not allowing it to be distributed anymore, and so it's gone. Now, we do have a couple of options here if you're using ClickFunnels. And one of them is you can download this program called Barnum PT, which will exist as an extension in your Chrome list of extensions. I believe they also have other versions for Edge and things they're working on of this, but I'm not sure where they are on having that completed. I just haven't kept up with it. Anyway, it's a multi-purpose tool, as you can see, and it does have a color picker on it, which I could use that certainly and say go to this green and pick it up. The problem I don't like about it as just a color picker, there's other things I do use it for all the time, is now I have to go to get the PT Barnum site and come open, and then it's going to be in this site along with all our things, be colors here. And that certainly will work, but to me it's sort of a couple of steps too many. So what I would like is just one tool that does one thing and going to get me the hex code for a color. As I said, there are several of these in the Google Chrome store, and the one I tried out after the color picker eyedropper was removed from the Google Chrome store was this one called the Color Picker by Ad Creative.ai. And I liked it so much as I've been using it ever since. You can download it for free from the Chrome Web Store. It has 4.9 out of 5 ratings, so getting good reviews. Let's take a look at the color picker by Ad Creative in action here. So we'll come back here to the page we're working on, and we're going to go to our Chrome extensions, get our color picker, and first thing you notice is it has two sections. It has a color history section and has a color on this page section, and it's pretty cool little arrangement they have here. Now, as well, you can select the color by using the eyedropper or pressing the I on your keyboard. That will bring up the little target thing that you select the color with. You can also flip the switch to change the codes that are used from hex to RGB. But other than that, that's about it. Now, we're going to get back to this color on this page thing in just a bit here. So let's say I want to do this red right here on this background. So I would choose the picker. I've got my typical little circle that I can choose and click it somewhere in the middle, and you see it copied it, and then I can click on it again and copy it to my clipboard. And the same thing if I want this green down here. Let's select the eye this time. Same thing, clicking the eye on your keyboard brings up the circle. Boom, we copied that. Now that alone is going to do everything I would require. But there's another trick here as well. Is what this colorless page section is that Color Picker by Ad Creative is going to go into the actual code of the web page and identify the 10 most used colors and just put them right here in this section. You don't have to do anything. It does that automatically. I think you do have to select one color to kind of kick it into gear, but after that it's going to just search that code and put those colors in there. So this is the most used colors on the page. If we go down the page, we can kind of see there's lots of those colors there, lots of greens, blacks, off blacks, different shades of green, kind of some grayish colors there in the background, and so a lot of black and green on this one, which does conform to what we see right here is a lot of black and green. So that is the color picker by Ad Creative. It's what I am currently using. I give it a good recommendation, and you can download it from the Google Chrome store at no cost. So if you need a color picker, this is one that will certainly get the job done for you. And down the road I may review a few more of these color pickers from the Google Chrome store. But if I do, that's not very high on my list of things right now because, as I said, I'm very happy with this one right here. So that's it for today. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder. I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, sales funnel building, webpage design, and the tools like the Colorpick Eyedropper by Ad Creative to make all these things happen. That's the video for now. I will talk to you later.